Imagine a dark night in a quiet town along the Mississippi River in the USA. The rain pours down like never before. Suddenly, the river bursts its banks. Water rushes in, destroying homes and dreams in seconds. This is the story of Alex, a young teacher who lost everything in a flood but found hope through insurance. What if this happened to you? Would you be ready? Alex lived in a cozy house with his family. He taught kids at the local school and dreamed of opening his own bookstore one day. Life was simple and happy. But in 2025, with climate change making storms worse, floods hit harder than ever. In the UK, places like Yorkshire face the same danger from heavy rains. Alex never thought it would strike his town so badly. One evening, the sky turned black. Thunder boomed like explosions. Alex watched the news on TV. Warnings flashed about rising water levels. He thought it was just another storm. But soon, water seeped under his door. In minutes, it rose to his knees. Furniture floated away. Family photos sank into the mud. Alex grabbed his wife and kids, rushing to higher ground. Behind them, the flood swallowed their home whole. Shocking, right? Over 100,000 homes in the USA and UK get damaged by floods each year now. The next morning, Alex stood in the ruins. His house was gone. Books, clothes, everything washed away. Tears filled his eyes as he hugged his family. They had nowhere to go. Friends offered shelter, but the pain was deep. Alex felt like his dreams drowned too. No more bookstore. No more normal life. In 2025, floods are not just water. They bring diseases and lost jobs. Many people end up homeless. Have you checked your home for flood risks lately? Weeks passed in a blur. Alex filed reports with the government, but help was slow. Bills piled up for temporary housing and food. His kids missed school. The emotional toll was huge. Alex couldn't sleep, haunted by the roar of the water. In the UK, similar stories happen after storms like the ones in Somerset. People feel alone and broken. But then, Alex remembered something important: his home insurance policy. He had bought insurance years ago, thinking it was just a boring paper. But in 2025, insurance companies use smart tech like apps and drones to help faster. Alex called his insurer. They sent a team right away. Drones flew over the damage to assess it quickly. Within days, they approved his claim. Money came to fix the house and replace lost items. Educational tip: always read your policy. Flood coverage is extra in many places, but it saves lives. With the insurance money, Alex started rebuilding. Workers cleared the mud and fixed the walls. He bought new furniture and even some books for his dream store. His family smiled again. But the journey taught him lessons. Insurance isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. In the USA, FEMA helps, but personal insurance fills the gaps. In the UK, the Environment Agency warns about floods, yet many skip in. Shocking fact: 1 in 4 homes in flood zones has no coverage. As the house rose from the ruins, Alex felt hope return. He shared his story online, warning others. Viewers from New York to London messaged him, saying it opened their eyes. Alex's kids helped paint the new walls, turning pain into joy. Emotional moments like this show how disasters can bring families closer. But without insurance, recovery might take years or never happen. One day, Alex stood in his rebuilt home. The sun shone through new windows. He thought about the flood's shock, but also the rebuild's magic. Insurance rebuilt not just walls, but dreams. He opened his small bookstore next door, filled with stories of survival. Customers came from far, inspired by his tale. In 2025, with more extreme weather, everyone needs a plan. Are you protected? Alex's story spreads on YouTube, touching hearts in Tier 1 countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. People comment about their own close calls. Educational part: get flood insurance through companies like Allstate in the USA or Aviva in the UK. It covers repairs, lost belongings, and even temporary living costs. Don't wait for the next storm. But wait, there's more shock. Scientists say by 2030, floods could double due to global warming. Rivers, like the Thames in the UK or the Ohio in the USA, overflow more often. Alex now teaches his students about climate action and insurance. He says one policy can save your future. Emotional highs come when he sees his kids playing safely again. The script builds to a climax. Alex hosts a community event in his town. Survivors share stories. Laughter mixes with tears. Insurance reps explain how easy it is to sign up online in 2025. Apps track risks in real time. Viewers, hook yourself here. Check your policy today. It might be the best decision ever. In the end, Alex looks at the river, calm now. He knows floods can return, but he's ready. Insurance turned tragedy into triumph. Dreams rebuilt stronger. This story isn't just Alex's. It could be yours. Stay safe, get insured, and chase your dreams no matter what. Floods wash away, but hope rebuilds. In the USA and UK, millions face this risk. Educational reminder, budget for insurance. It's cheaper than losing everything. Emotional close. Alex hugs his family, whispering, "We made it." Shocking truth. Without action, more dreams will drown. But with insurance, you rise again.